Telsa
Diner.
Diner? Telsa Diner.
First time, yeah.
Right into the left, go up directions.
Thank you.
We went too early, so the sky pad wasn't open. Then we came back at night again, but Optimus was not there.
Optimus not working.
We went to Telsa Diners. It was a lot of fun. Today we're making a Cybertruck out of the burger box. Yay! Yippee! Cybertruck! Cybertrucks! Cybertruck! First we cut the box to make the Cybertruck's exoskeleton. The real Cybertruck exoskeleton is made of ultra hard cold rolled stainless steel. But ours is made out of cardboard. Then we assemble the wheels and the base frame. The real Cybertruck has an advanced steer-by-wire and an air suspension, so the giant body can move very nimble like a small car. Now we move on to install the motor and the power source. On the real Cybertruck, there's a huge battery pack at the base. But ours will be powered by a solar panel. Now we're gonna use this soda can as the body for the Cybertruck. The real Cybertruck has a unibody design. And like ours, it is made of two pieces. We will finish by putting the solar panel on top of the Cybertruck.